This is an ISO zipped. It's a compressed disk image. Windows 10/11 can mount standard ISOs, but it can't handle ISZ natively. You need software like Ultra ISO or Daemon tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the ISZ format, but we'll attack the top issues first. An ISZ file is a compressed archive of an ISODisk image, created using the ISODisk software. It's essentially a zip-compressed version of an ISO file, reducing the file size while preserving the integrity of the disk image. ISZ files are commonly used for distributing software, games, and operating systems. ISZ files contain a header that describes the compression method and the structure of the embedded ISO image. The ISO data is typically compressed using DEFLATE or similar algorithms. The file format allows for random access to the ISO data, enabling mounting and burning of the image without fully extracting it. ISODisk is required to properly handle the format. The native handler for ISZ files is usually ISODisk from EZB systems. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows may acknowledge the file, but it cannot mount or extract it without proper software. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the ISZ file and select Open With. If ISODisk is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the ISZ file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since this ISZ format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, download and install WinRAR. Download and install a free and reliable compression tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. Next, locate file. Locate the ISZ file on your computer. Finally, right-click and extract. Right-click the file and select Extract Files, or equivalent, to easily access the contents inside the compressed image. When this ISZ file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the ISZ label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your ISZ file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you want to solve problems fast, please subscribe. This was the ultimate fix. Always double-check your file extensions before opening.